Greetings, Chris Zirkle, Digital Learning Coordinator for the Southern and Southeastern areas. We were contacted by Heritage High School to deliver some training on Canvas Studio. We developed the training, we flipped all the training, the content of how to use Studio. We delivered it using the flip model, so that way the teachers in the training could go through the content at their own pace. We met 3 times together, and during those times, instead of me delivering the content of how to use Studio, we actually worked with Studio. I was able to answer questions and work one-on-one with teachers, and we got a lot of progress.
Hi, I'm Christy Sharpe. I work at Heritage High School in the mathematics department. I received some professional development with Canvas Studio over a series of weeks, and I have been using Canvas Studio in my classroom. So Canvas Studio really has made my classroom larger. So I am not restricted to the 4 walls of my classroom. I can reach my students in a much broader scale and maximize my time while in the classroom. I'm also able to really reach different learning styles. So some students can listen once and they can really grasp the concept, where there are other students who need to see multiple times, they need to hear multiple times, they need repetition.
Hi, my name is Wendy May, and I'm the Apparel and Textiles teacher here at Heritage High School. The DLC did some PD with our school a few weeks ago. One of my favorite features of Canvas Studio is that I can kind of flip the classroom. I can give students a short video to watch with some questions in it, and then we can be doing other things at the same time. I can float around and help students.
I'm Ella.
I'm Carson.
And we're going to be talking about Canvas Studio. I really liked how it gives you the feature to go back and edit your answers after you've already submitted.
I like that when you're going through the video and you're answering the questions, that if you missed it, you can go back. So I think that's really easy.
So if you want to get on board with Canvas Studio, just contact your local digital learning coordinator at dlc.wcpss.net.